the Rubik's Cubes, and our life. Number 5. The Rubik's Cube's third layer aligning yellow corners symbolize master complex challenge in our life. What it means? Managing the most complex challenges. This stage symbolizes precision and patience in handling high-stakes situation. Life lesson. Refine your approach. Even small missteps can create a ripple effect. Great results come from focus, patience, and precision. Don't rush the process. Master it. The third layer, the final steps, requires precision. Here, every move affects the entire cube. It's where patience and skill are tested. In life, this stage mirror critical decision, choosing a career, resolving conflicts, or navigating transitions. Small missteps can set you back, but careful effort creates breakthrough. It's less about speed and more about strategy. Example, picture an architect designing their dream home. Every detail, materials, layout, aesthetics requires careful thoughts. A single mistake could compromise the structure.